Hi, Brother Blizzard. It's Jennifer Ruggles. I'm ready to show you Enhancement 9. So here I am at my site, and I just wanted to go to Uploads and show you my images down here. You can add a new one, and you can see the message, the upload succeeded. And we can scroll down, and there he is. So you can see him in my images. There he is, right there. I have it sorted by the inventory ID. So before we just had the rocket and the rocket thumbnail, and now we have the fly and the fly thumbnail. And you can also see in my products images, everybody has two, a thumbnail and a regular. It's a fly guy right there. So they're being saved in the right place. So if we want to look at him, I think I did him under rocket. So here is our product view with our new thumbnails here at the bottom. You can validate the HTML, no errors, and the CSS. No errors. Alright, I will make him responsive for you. Now they're stacked. And we'll go to our inspect tool so we can see that we go find our images, you'll see their size is not too big. My thumbnails are down here. Within 200 in height and width. We had to load more images, so I did for sticky fence, loaded all of them. I think this one's a bigger original, so I can show you there, 500. It's not too big. There they all are. I think that's everything that you needed to see for this one. The additional images loaded, valid HTML, CSS, the size of the images, and that they're in the database and in the products folder. Thank you. Oh, no, wait, there's one more thing. We go to view our page source. You can see here we've added our sticky fence. Here's my alt image of sticky fence on Acme. Down here's my HR, thumbnails, source. Here is my alternate sticky fence thumbnail. I wanted to make sure you saw that for those because they don't show here. That's all.